Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Sui from Sui Wallet to Binance. Alright, so in order to move your tokens from your Sui Wallet over to the centralized exchange on Binance, open up your Sui Wallet. Once it's been opened, click on the send icon. Make sure you have some Sui to cover your gas fees. Click on send, and then you're asked to enter the amount you wish to send. So let's send, okay, there's a max of 1.30. Okay, once you've entered the maximum amount you wish to send, there's an estimated gas fee which would be shown. So let's provide the recipient address, which is your wallet address on Binance. Minimize and open up the Binance centralized exchange. Once you've opened up Binance, click on the add funds icon, click on deposit crypto, use the search icon to search for SUI, which is Sui. Click on the Sui coin, click on the network, which is Sui again, copy the address, paste the address we had just copied. It's a valid address. The estimated gas fee is shown here, and all you need to do now is simply click on review, and this is everything you're going to be paying from one wallet to another. And then all you need to do is click on send now. By clicking on send now, you get to move your Sui tokens from the Sui wallet over to Binance by just clicking on send now. And once you minimize and open up Binance, head to the wallet section at the bottom right, perform a simple reload here, scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where you're keeping your tokens, and you'd find your Sui tokens here. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.